Let's talk about water conservation. Here are some facts. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Control predicts that by 2020, between 75 and 250 million people are likely to be exposed to water stress as a result of climate change. The Food and Agriculture Organization estimates that by 2025, there will be 1.8 billion people living with absolute water scarcity, and 2/3 of the world's population could be living under water-stressed conditions. Farming alone is responsible for using around 70% of all fresh water taken from lakes, waterways, and aquifers. And if that doesn't quite put things in perspective, then you should know that estimates of the water required to produce a kilo of beef vary from 13,000 liters or up to 100,000 liters, while the water required to produce a kilo of wheat is somewhere between 1,000 and 2,000 liters. This leaves the amount of clean drinking water dangerously low, making it even harder for areas already struggling with water stress. One way to help with the fight for the relief of water stress is to donate to charities or spend some time with those charities. I will provide some links down in the comments if you are interested in helping out in that way. But another easy way to help out with water conservation is to eat a vegetarian diet. I myself eat a vegetarian diet regularly, and it not only makes me feel great and live a healthier lifestyle, but it can also help out our lovely planet. Even just swapping out meat for veggies one day out of the week can make a world of difference. So together we can do our part by learning how to make these delicious vegetarian tacos. Here's what you'll need. 1 portobello mushroom, 1 bunch of cilantro, stems included, 1 bunch of basil, 4 scallions, 3 garlic cloves, 3/4 cups of olive oil or around 180 milliliters, 1/4 cups of rice vinegar or around 60 milliliters, and a pinch of salt. For our guacamole, you're going to need a bit of that cilantro chopped, 2 avocados, about 1/4 of a diced tomato, and 1/4 of a diced white onion. To start, season your mushrooms with a little salt and pepper and pop that in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. While that is baking, let's make a quick and easy guacamole. In a bowl, mash up 2 avocados, chopped cilantro, about 1/4 of a Roma tomato, and 1/4 of a small white onion. Add salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lime juice for taste. Now, let's make a super easy chimichurri sauce. In a blender, take the rest of that cilantro, 1 bunch of basil, 4 scallions, 3 garlic cloves, 3/4 cups or around 180 milliliters of olive oil, 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of rice vinegar, and a pinch of salt, and blend it up until it's smooth. When your mushroom is done, take that out and cut it into long strips. Take a corn tortilla, spread a bit of guacamole as a base, add a bit of spinach or lettuce, pop your mushroom strips on top of that, and finally add your sauce, and you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and find it an easy way to help conserve water. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed it and if you have any other tips on helping out our lovely planet. See you all next week.